Hello everyone. Today, we're installing the Dazuma Artistic Wave LED wall light. Inside the package, you'll find one accessory pack, one remote control, one Artistic Wave LED wall light. Step 1. Use your own ruler to measure and mark the installation points. Point 1 indicates the distance between the mounting hole and the power source. Point 2 indicates the distance between the two mounting holes. Step 2. Mark and drill the holes. Transfer the measurements you just took to the wall where you plan to install the product. The center point should align with your electrical box. Then mark the distance from the electrical box to the mounting nail, as well as the distance between the two mounting nails. Step 3. Insert the screw anchors from the accessory pack into the two drilled holes. Step 4. Install the screws from the accessory pack into the two screw anchors. Step 5. Connect the power cable on the back of the product to your own USB power adapter. Step 6. Align the screws installed on the wall with the screw holes on the back of the product. Then place the product onto the screws. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.